So massive opportunities in crypto. I will talk about AI, but first of all, you can see massive upside in crypto in altcoins, double-digit percentages in the last 24 hours for most of the altcoins. And I hope we will eventually see a huge altcoin run when everything will go 5x, 10x like it usually does before the great euphoria, the bull run, crypto bull run. And that's the first great news. The second thing I want to talk about is AI. And here you can see the AI mindshare on Crypto X, on Crypto Twitter, is 52%, which is insane. The next up is meme coins, which is only takes 9%. Then we have DeFi, gaming, decentralized science is coming up. I think this will be one of the biggest movers for the next few weeks and months. But let's focus on AI because we can see the mindshare is 52%. And what this means is that people are talking about the AI coins right now. Like the 52% of people in the crypto space are talking about AI, and only 9%, the second runner up, is meme coins. Now, where you can see this data is Kato app, which is quite expensive, but really, really helpful for you to understand the current trends in crypto. I myself, I don't have this app, but I am just searching on X and finding these narratives because someone is posting every day. Now, what I want to talk about is, first of all, if you want to learn how to find your own AI crypto and just do a simple deep dive, here is a great post from Aimonica. I will put a link in the description as well, so you can just go through. And he's talking about the mind share with market cap about, I mean, for these AI crypto coins. He's talking about different projects, different basically projects that are going to $5 billion. You can see Virtuals went $5 billion in basically few months. A16Z, there's so much happening right now in AI and everything is talking about it. And how you can search for projects is basically go on CoinMarketCap, go right here on cryptocurrencies, categories, then you will basically sort by name. And when you sort, you will see AI agents, AI memes. These are the biggest basically narratives. Also AI agent launchpads, the launchpads that are launching AI agents. So you basically search by AI memes and AI agents, and here you will see all the biggest, from the biggest ones to the smallest ones. There are so many, and what you want to do, you want to search by ticker on X platform and just see some threads, some people posting, how many huge influencers are posting about these projects. And in my opinion, the most bullish AI crypto coin for me personally, and I think overall, is this one. This is a Aimonica brands token. I basically talked about it when it was at $8 million like 1 month ago. But why I am bullish is because the market cap is relatively low. You can see that biggest, for example, the similar one is A16Z, which is basically an investment venture capital firm, and Aimonica brands is the same, but you can see the market cap for A16Z is 2 billion, 2.3 billion, and this is only 65 million. So this has like 20x upside if we are comparing to A16Z. And a few hours ago, we actually saw a huge candle that went to almost 10 cents, which is $100 million in market cap. It went down basically in few hours, but the fact that we are seeing these huge candles means that upside is imminent. I think there is a huge upside. Again, I think $500 million in market cap for this particular AI is quite, I think, not easy, but I think there is a huge possibility. And here is the basically the profile for Aimonica. AI token. And why it went up is because they announced that this hedge fund manager, DAOS fund. I still have to do my own research to understand all of this because I'm really new to AI coins. But here you can see the Aimonica basically is a AI agent. She is posting herself on Twitter, but there was this. I think this is created by Aimonica Brands, and Aimonica Brands is one of the biggest basically projects in crypto. They are building crypto games. Here you will see Aimonica Brands, 304,000 followers. Really, really huge. They have their own NFT collection as well. And here you can see someone basically posted, while A16Z is struggling to survive the bear market, Aimonica Brands is on its way to all-time high. Here you can see could it be that Yatsu and Aimonica Brands are finally stepping up to ensure that not outdone by A16Z. And the bullish fact is that Yatsu, the chairman of Aimonica Brands, actually posted about Aimonica. That's how I found out. And you have to do your own research to basically understand all of this. That's why go on the Twitter, write AI, basically some AI threads, AI agent threads, and you will see so many huge, basically, things that is happening in the crypto space. And again, right now the market cap is only 65 million. It looks like it is consolidating right now. So in my opinion, it could go down a little bit, but I think as the whole crypto is pumping and AI agents again are basically 52% of the mind share on Twitter is only AI agents. That's why I think this is the great time to buy some AI tokens, AI coins. That's what I'm doing personally, and this video is not a financial advice. I'm not qualified to basically give you a financial advice. That's why always be careful. You can lose all your money in crypto. Many people are losing, but again, I think 2025 is the true crypto bull run, and we will see everything going up like crazy. I think Bitcoin will go to 200,000 because institutions are here. And again, you can see Ripple basically went up in the last 24 hours like 10%, which is insane for these huge coins. Like if it was like 120 in billion, now it is 137 billion dollars in market cap. And yeah, many people still think that meme coins is the biggest narrative, but again, if you do your research, you will see that AI is taking over. I think we are like 20, 30, maybe 40% max in AI coins. I think we are like 90% in meme coins. I don't think the meme coin narrative will be as big as it was in 2024. Maybe in late bull run, as it always happens for meme coins, because people that hold meme coins usually just want to make money. They're not interested in utility or all of that stuff or just some innovations. They are just trying to make money, purely just gambling, trying to find the biggest movers. That's why again, AI is taking over. I think this will be the biggest narrative for the next maybe January, February. I hope the NFTs will come back, but right now you can see the data doesn't lie, the numbers don't lie. AI 52%. Then we have meme coins falling down, DeFi falling down. GameFi, I think, will be one of the biggest narratives. But yes, this is right now my biggest play, Aimonica. And yes, if you want to start trading, you can start trading on Bybit. The Bybit referral link is in my description. You will get a $30,000 bonus for trading. That's why if you want to start trading, you can use Bybit. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.